What's the meaning of alter ego? Alter ego. Alter ego. Alter ego. Alter ego. Alter ego.
Alter ego is a Latin phrase meaning other self. It refers to a person's second personality or persona, which can be similar or vastly different from their primary self. The alter ego may represent aspects of the individual's personality that are suppressed or hidden in daily life. This concept is often explored in literature, psychology, and popular culture, with examples including superheroes like Batman and Clark Kent/Superman. An alter ego can also serve as a form of self-expression or creative outlet for individuals who wish to explore different facets of their personalities.